Portugal. And now it's time for us to hop on to Spain for a taste of tocino del cielo. But before that, our friend Chef Ronald is here with us to talk about Furna.
Yep.
And today we're talking about vanilla liquid, right?
Yep, correct. Actually, this one is we're going to use for our tocino del cielo. Vanilla liquid normally, aside from the vanilla flavor na binibigay nito in our recipe, it also enhances the flavor present dun sa recipe natin as it makes the recipe or the product richer and creamier. So the difference between these products, since we have the vanilla powder, vanilla liquid, and the vanilla clear.
Okay.
Vanilla powder, normally, ginagamit yun ng mga malalaking industries because they find it very convenient to use. Imagine, for 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla powder is equivalent to 5 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Wow,
So,
really?
1/4 teaspoon nito, 5
teaspoon of vanilla.
Ah, okay.
And then the difference between the vanilla clear and the vanilla liquid, definitely, as you can see here, vanilla liquid is clear. So it won't alter the color of
You mean
your
vanilla
guest.
clear is clear?
Yes.
Vanilla liquid is brown.
Yes.
On.
So that's why we use this for example, chocolate cake, mocha
Yes.
cake.
Oo.
But this one, if we want not to alter the color of our recipe, we're using the vanilla clear.
Like, kunyari, butter icing. Or royal, mga icing na, kunyari, butter icing.
Butter icing, royal icing. But the intensity of the flavor for the vanilla liquid and vanilla clear is the same.
I have to say, though, that the coolest thing is how you have your cap measure exactly one teaspoon of your product.
Correct.
Oh,
Or
so
5
neat.
ml.
I love that.
May
I
5
love that.
ml pa.
Oo.
You know, that's why, talaga naman, you know, these products are always in the baker's kitchen. And also in my kitchen as well. Okay, now I'm going to check my caramel. Okay, what I'm making today for Furna is that tocino del cielo, or translated as bacon from heaven. Yung name lang yon, hindi yung tayo gagamit ng bacon today. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is to melt sugar to make caramel. So this one, na-melt ko na siya. It's just plain sugar. Wala siyang kahalong iba. And then, pag nag-smoke lang siya sa side, then you start stirring until you reach a golden caramel. Ito rin yung pang leche flan. Okay, and then I have here small molds. Yan, pour ko lang siya. Yan. Okay. Okay, so at this point, huwag nyo munang hahawakan yung baking pan kasi mainit. Okay? And then, let's say, itong caramel, kunyari tumigas na siya, and then you can't remove it from the saucepan anymore, lagyan nyo lang siya ng water, pakuluan nyo, mawawala din yung caramel. Okay? And then next, we can make the filling. I have here some sugar. This is 2 cups of sugar naman. Medyo marami siyang sugar, pero yun nga, everything in moderation is okay. And then this is water. This is 3/4 cup of water. We're going to make a syrup. We're going to let this boil until it reaches thread stage. If you have a thermometer, thread stage is at 230 degrees Fahrenheit. But if hindi naman, actually, pag naging thick siya, tapos makita mo, nagsispin na siya ng thread, yun ang thread stage. Okay, and then I have here 18 egg yolks, and this is butter. This is 1/3 cup of butter. And of course, this is the Furna Vanilla Clear. I'm going to use the Furna Vanilla Clear today because I want my color, my tocino del cielo, to maintain the yellow color, yung talagang bright yellow. Okay, but then, for other uses, meron din yung Furna Vanilla Liquid. Yun yung brown color. And of course, as per Ronald, kaya nga siya ang ating Furna expert, yung vanilla powder is mostly used for commercial businesses. Kasi nga, yung mas madali siyang gamitin sa mga larger quantities. So, now that it's thread-like, we will add the rest of the ingredients in this order. So, first we add the butter. Just to melt it. And then we're gonna add our Furna Vanilla Clear. Okay, 2 teaspoons, which is 2 takip. Fern has other products as well. Marami silang produkto talaga. We've used gelatin, we've used the Franklin Baker coconut, meron din sila ng butter substitute, baking powder, baking soda. Actually, Fern is a friend talaga ng baker. Talagang ang focus nila mga baker, dalang mga binibenta nilang mga items ay para sa atin. So yan, melted na siya. I'll temper it first sa aking egg yolks. Yan. Talagang ang advice ko sa inyo, kung kakain kayo ng tocino del cielo or you'll make tocino del cielo, talagang maliliit lang, cute lang. Okay? And then, just put it in a measuring cup with a spout para mabilis ma-pour. Just pour your filling. Even up to the brim, okay. Yan. Okay. Okay. Okay, so after you bake, you leave it out to cool at room temperature overnight, and then pwede nyo siyang i-unmold. So, iiwan nyo lang sa ref habang hindi nyo pa siya kinakain. So, yung sa akin, nasa ref. So, I'm going to share my tocino del cielo with Sam and Ronald.
Chef.
Try. Very smooth, very rich.
They look like egg yolks.
Cute, diba?
Yeah.
Can you taste the vanilla?
Can I taste it? Woo!
This is very rich, very creamy. At the same time, yung flavor ng vanilla is present talaga siya.
Wow! Sobrang, it's like, parang leche flan na kinoncentrate mo, you know? But it's nice. It's like, it's like a little piece of dessert that you can have, and it's completely satisfying. You don't have to have a huge amount of dessert, diba? All right, thank you so much, Chef Jackie.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Chef Ronald.
Thank you so much, Chef.
And we'll see you after the break.